Tech giants in the crosshairs. Big tech is facing a reckoning. US regulators are turning up the heat on some of the biggest names in tech: Nvidia, Microsoft, and OpenAI. These companies are accused of stifling competition and wielding too much power. The outcome of these investigations could reshape the tech landscape for years to come. It's not just about hefty fines, it's about the future of innovation and consumer choice. This isn't the first time tech giants have found themselves in the crosshairs of regulators. Remember Microsoft in the 90s? The US government accused Microsoft of using its dominance in PC operating systems to crush competitors. The case dragged on for years, ultimately leading to changes in Microsoft's business practices. More recently, Google, Facebook, and Amazon have faced intense scrutiny over their market power and data privacy practices. The current probes into Nvidia, Microsoft, and OpenAI signal a new chapter in the ongoing battle between big tech and regulators. These companies are at the forefront of artificial intelligence, a technology that's rapidly transforming our world. Their products and services touch countless aspects of our lives, from the smartphones we use to the cars we drive. As AI becomes even more pervasive, the stakes of these antitrust probes couldn't be higher. The decisions made today will have far-reaching consequences for consumers, businesses, and the future of innovation itself.
Nvidia, the AI hardware king. Nvidia is a household name in the gaming world. Gamers covet their high-performance graphics processing units, GPUs, essential for rendering lifelike graphics in video games. But Nvidia's reach extends far beyond gaming. Their GPUs are the workhorses behind artificial intelligence. Training AI models requires massive computing power, and Nvidia's chips are leading the charge. This dominance in the AI hardware market has made Nvidia a target for regulators. Concerns center around Nvidia's potential to leverage its market position to stifle competition. Critics argue that Nvidia could use its dominance to favor its own products and services, making it harder for rivals to gain a foothold. For example, Nvidia could prioritize its own AI software platforms, making them more compatible with its GPUs and less so with competitors. This could create a closed ecosystem that limits consumer choice and innovation. Regulators are also scrutinizing Nvidia's acquisitions. Nvidia has been on a buying spree in recent years, acquiring companies in areas like networking and data centers. These acquisitions have raised concerns about whether Nvidia is consolidating too much power in the AI supply chain. By controlling key components of the AI ecosystem, from hardware to software, Nvidia could potentially dictate terms to customers and stifle competition. The outcome of these investigations could have major implications for the AI industry.
Microsoft and OpenAI, a powerful partnership. Microsoft and OpenAI represent a formidable force in the world of artificial intelligence. Microsoft, the tech giant behind Windows and Azure, has invested heavily in OpenAI, a leading AI research company. OpenAI's ChatGPT, a generative AI chatbot, took the world by storm with its ability to generate human-like text. Microsoft's integration of ChatGPT into its Bing search engine and other products has intensified scrutiny from regulators. Concerns stem from the potential for this partnership to give Microsoft an unfair advantage in the tech industry. By integrating OpenAI's cutting-edge technology, Microsoft could gain an edge in search, productivity software, and other key markets. This raises questions about whether Microsoft is leveraging its existing market power to stifle competition. Regulators are particularly interested in how Microsoft's control over OpenAI's technology could impact the development and availability of AI-powered tools. Critics argue that Microsoft's dominance in operating systems and cloud computing, combined with OpenAI's AI prowess, could create a formidable barrier to entry for competitors. Imagine a future where Microsoft's products, powered by OpenAI's technology, become the default choice for consumers and businesses. This scenario raises concerns about reduced innovation and consumer choice in the long term. The outcome of these probes will likely set a precedent for how regulators approach partnerships between tech giants and AI powerhouses.
Section 4. Implications. A new era of tech regulation. The antitrust probes into Nvidia, Microsoft, and OpenAI could mark a turning point in tech regulation. These investigations signal a growing willingness on the part of regulators to challenge the power of big tech. The outcomes could have far-reaching consequences, potentially reshaping the tech landscape for years to come. One possible outcome is stricter antitrust enforcement, making it more difficult for tech giants to engage in practices that stifle competition. Regulators may impose stricter conditions on mergers and acquisitions, particularly those involving companies with significant market power. We could see a resurgence of antitrust lawsuits aimed at breaking up tech giants or forcing them to spin off certain businesses. Another potential consequence is increased regulation of AI itself. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, concerns about its ethical implications, bias, and potential for misuse are growing. The probes into Nvidia, Microsoft, and OpenAI could pave the way for more comprehensive AI regulations. These regulations could address issues such as data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and the potential for AI-driven discrimination. The challenge for regulators will be to strike a balance between fostering innovation and protecting consumers. Overregulation could stifle innovation and limit the potential of AI to address pressing societal challenges.
Section 5. The Stakes, Innovation, Competition, and the Future of Tech. The antitrust probes targeting Nvidia, Microsoft, and OpenAI underscore the high stakes involved in regulating big tech. At the heart of these investigations lie fundamental questions about the balance of power in the tech industry. Can innovation thrive in a market dominated by a few powerful players? Or do we need stronger regulations to ensure a level playing field and protect consumer choice? The answers to these questions will shape the future of technology and its impact on our lives. If regulators succeed in curbing anti-competitive practices, we could see a more vibrant and diverse tech ecosystem emerge. This could lead to greater innovation, more consumer choice, and potentially lower prices. However, excessive regulation could stifle innovation, making it harder for startups to challenge incumbents and potentially slowing down the pace of technological progress. The outcome of these probes will have a ripple effect throughout the tech industry. Other tech giants will be watching closely, adjusting their strategies and lobbying efforts accordingly. Startups and investors will be looking for clues about the regulatory landscape, influencing their decisions about which technologies to pursue and where to invest. The stakes couldn't be higher. The decisions made today will determine whether the tech industry continues on its current trajectory or embarks on a new path. One where innovation flourishes, competition thrives, and the benefits of technology are shared more broadly.